Talha from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, as Muslims, we have to display good character. When there's times when people are rude and not so nice to us, it's obviously we have to show patience and try to be easygoing. But sometimes people, they take out kindness for weakness, whether elderly uncles in the masjid being firm and aggressive when they want to reprimand someone, or in the workplace when people think they can take advantage if you're an easygoing person. My question is, when wanting to be more firm with somebody, when is it being firm is sinful? So, for example, someone's been aggressive to you and you're like, yeah, sorry, that's fine, okay, you've had a bad day. But if they keep doing it, then they take that as an advantage from you. So if you want to be firm with someone, when is it that it doesn't cross the line of being sinful? Sometimes people might take your firmness and really get offended by it, but at the end of the day, you have to stand up for yourself. Thank you, Sheikh.
First of all, this is subjective to the circumstances and to the person who is confronting you with such rudeness or insults or whatever. Islam does not say that you always have to give the other cheek. No. If someone attacks you, Islam says attack them back. But in the same magnitude of their attack, without transgressing. You don't kill a mosquito with a cannon. That's an overkill. It's haram in Islam. So someone who beats you on the shoulder, you beat him back on the shoulder. You don't slash his throat out. Someone who insults you, you insult him back in the same fashion. Not insult his mother and father and the whole tribe and the whole family. Usually, when people are rude or sort of abusive, if you know that you can de-escalate by just looking the other way, and that would display your power and energy, it would display your ability to be tolerant, and everyone knows it is not a sign of weakness, rather you're doing it willingly, then it's fine, because as they say, dogs that bark don't bite, let alone a chihuahua. So if someone attacks me or says bad things about me, hoping and praying that I'll reply and refute what he's saying publicly to give him a platform to be famous, no, I will not do that, because it's not going to harm me. I'm not going to allow people to get under my skin. But if I'm in public and someone insults me or says lies about me, and I can expose that individual and show everyone else without going to his level, rather by defending myself, or at least by acting firm and not giving in to his attempts, that would be acceptable in Islam. But always think of what preserves your dignity, your honor, without transgressing, without giving a bad PR to Islam. Of the benefits of learning it, that would be a bonus, inshallah.